BCH, we start with 1 hour chart. If we refer to our analysis, since the price was within this move, we have been looking for buy. We mentioned after the breakout of the previous top, we have to start to manage, and there was a second opportunity. Even when the price was within this move, we mentioned if we get any flag, we can look for buy. All right. And right now, this is what we get. And anyone get the trade, they have to start to manage. No one see what's the next, because almost if we refer to daily chart, we see the price broke the previous top. Anyway, we move to higher time frame daily chart. As we can see, the price broke the previous top. And if we refer to the indicators, MACD shows us the divergence, but another one doesn't want. All right, because if we put this one, now the question is, we're looking for continuation, and we want to see whether the price can break 892 or not. Okay, because if we refer to weekly chart, as we can see, the price broke the previous top as well based on weekly, and now we want to see whether the price can break this one, which is 892, because from there we're looking for continuation, and the next level we're looking for is this top, which is based on higher time frame, which is 1852. Okay, anyway, we move to forward chart. We want to see how we can trade. As we can see, based on forward chart, we get a sharp move, and if we refer to the indicators, we see whether we have a divergence or not. If we refer to the MACD, we doesn't have it, and another one, okay, we don't have. They don't need to rely on that. The only thing is, if we get any correction from here, we will take it. We will look for the next trade, and we want to price whether it can break 892 or not. Okay, as long as we get any trade with a continuation, and within this range, as long as the price haven't break 892, we need to be quite careful. That means any trade we get, we should have the proper management. All right, and right now we don't have any trade set up. Whatever the trade with in this move we have to start to manage it. And in this case, we move to 1 hour chart, and based on 1 hour chart, is still like we don't have any trade set up. The only thing is we're looking at this. If we get any flag right now, we cannot look for buy, because whatever we have, I mean, mostly we can expect the price drop a bit more. All right, by the way, as I mentioned, based on forward chart, we get the trade from here, and here we have to start to manage. And right now we're looking for the next trade. We're waiting here to get the correction. And how about if the price sharply reverse from here? The only way to get the trade having entry, we can have entry above the top, which is very risky. It depends on the traders. And we mentioned, as long as the price haven't break 892, any trade within this range we consider as a short term. As long as we get into the profit, we start to manage, because we want the price to break and continue. Okay, anyway, we're looking for continuation, we're looking for buy. We just follow the chart. If I see any trade setup, I will share. And right now we're looking for this. Any buy from here, we will take it. Thanks.